This box arrived from Mark Lindsay. I was lucky enough to win his album he created as part of the Makers Rock album art collaboration. Wow, this is so awesome, Mark. I love it. It's great getting a piece of mustache art from a maker who has an awesome mustache. All right, now I have to find a place to put this. Perhaps over here. I think I'll put it on this wall. Wait a minute, this wall? That sounds so bland. I mean, look at all these awesome things I made in my shop and I got from other makers. Again, I need a name for this wall. I know, I'll use the Maker Community Hangout. It's filled with experts, vetted experts, who can help you make decisions like this. Now for security, and we all have to be security conscious, it does route through England, so the number's a little different, but it's super easy. 0118999 9119-725-3. Oh, check it out! It's Junie Genius! Junie, I need your robot-making technical smart skills to help name this wall. It's got all this awesome artwork on it, but I just can't use the wall. That's too bland. Please, can you help me out? What should I name this wall?
Why don't you call it the Wall of Awesome?
Yeah, I like that. Why didn't I think of that? You're so smart. Thank you, Junie.
No problem, Matt.
Wait. Before we go, I have an offer for you. Go check out Junie's channel. She makes robots, and the quality of the robots are, well, you be the judge of the quality, but one thing's for sure, her stuff is spectacular. No, wait, that's not the right word. Awesome. Her stuff is awesome. If you don't agree, she's one of the best channels out there on YouTube. Let me know, and I'll make sure you get your head examined, and I will compensate you somehow. I have no idea how, but her sub count is so low. This is a crime. You will not be disappointed. And Mark Lindsay, go over to his channel and tell him he has an awesome mustache and he makes great art because he is a fantastic artist as well. Thank you, Mark, for participating in Makers Rock, and I'm thrilled I was the random winner of your giveaway. Keep being awesome, everyone.